All right. I love your dress. It's very pretty. Mind if I talk to you? Hey, you guys. I mean, I would ask if you're okay, but I can tell something's going on.
Yeah.
We're just getting a lot of phone calls. A lot of people are concerned. So it's my job. I just want to try to offer some resources and see.
Yeah, you guys
So So there's nothing. You want to go to CVS with me real quick? Can I go get you something? Yeah. All right. Let's go for a walk. You mind if they hang out with them, or do you want them to come with us? Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna take them to CVS, man, just to get some stuff. I can't let them sit out here like that. I can't let them sit out here like that.
We can't do anything, huh?
No, they're staying in a place. I'm just gonna walk.
You watch my food. I'm just gonna bring my drink.
Yeah, he'll watch your food.
They'll keep it safe. But the ants might get it.
Yeah. Bring it in.
Yeah, maybe put it in your little boxes. Just in case. Happy meals. Those chicken nuggets look delicious. Oh, thank you so much, Khalifa. I have gum in my mouth. I'm getting yucky. Well, maybe what I'll do on the way home, maybe I'll go get my kids some chicken nuggets too. You keep it, honey. I can't take it. Let's go to the store and go pick something out, though.
All right, we're gonna let Dad get some stuff for you guys, okay? It doesn't matter to me what you grab. I you can grab whatever.
Can I get that for your mom? Sure. Let's do it. Yeah, you can have that.
You guys all good on like toothpaste, mouthwash? Yeah, you can throw that in there. You guys need any supplements, vitamins, bandages? I don't know if that works, right?
Charlies! Look! You already know the nail polish.
Please select your language.
Dad, do you want these? You gonna pay for all of this?
We are. It is my treat to you for being such good helpers.
This shampoo smells good.
I'm gonna put this on there.
Oops, sorry. You can get whatever the heck you want. Except a car. I think that's where I draw my limit.
How was it?
Can you see it? If you have your answer, that means please scan it now. People very happy by being kind.
How much do we get?
Just paid in kindness.
That's fine.
No, how much do we get it?
Just kindness.
278 cents?
Yeah, 278 cents.
So DJ, tell us
All discounts will be included at the end of the Super order. smart.
and
Coupon now. Well, you have
$35
the $15 from the way. No, don't worry about it.
Since we're like
Why you
that.
got so
Just
much
the glasses, really.
stuff? We're gonna be fine with all
Because we love you guys.
Yeah, you're going to have a lot of days.
With all paper.
That's perfect.
Why did you get us all this stuff?
Just to be kind.
Police officers help people. That's what we do.
Thanks so much.
Thank you guys.
Cop never did this.
All right.